Okay, Shelly's running this tack.
Great day for a sail.
Hell yeah, it is.
The supermarket boat just pulled up, so.
Welcome back, everyone. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by.
Bozburun has been a great harbor for us. We just came here again for the night to upload a video and made some yummy cream and mushroom soup, which was so good. My first time trying homemade mushroom soup. It was super good. It turned out really good. And now we're actually going to hook around this little peninsula up back into Orhenga, which we really love. It's a nice harbor, and we're excited to go back there. Let's go. Great day for a sail.
Hell yeah, it is. Alright. It's a good day for sailing, I'll tell you what. We got about 16 knots of wind. Cruise along, having a great day. Yeah, buddy.
Hi.
Good days.
Yeah.
Good days.
Good day.
Peace. Yeah, okay, Shelly's running this tack. She's gonna kill it. Ready, set, go. Ready to tack?
Okay. Tacking.
Keep the wind on that 30, 45. Decide you have to keep it on the 45.
Woo!
Nice. Okay, you can go a little steeper to the wind. That way. A little more to steep.
Okay.
Take some of the pressure off the sail for me.
Yep, got it.
Let me set the sail.
Okay.
Okay, now drop off. Wait, not too fast, not too fast.
Yeah.
Slow it down. Right there.
We're coming into a new anchorage that we haven't been into but wanted to check out before in Turkey before we head over to Orhanya. If there's a spot in here, we're going to check it out. But yeah, we'll see. It's a mix of stern to and anchoring. So we'll see what we can find up in here. But I can tell you what, if I could share the smell of this place, I would, because it is like, it's like being in the mountains, but on the water. It's yummy. A lot of boats up there. We got here just in time. The supermarket boat just pulled up. So we anchored up in here. We're super excited. And we're gonna go check out the supermarket boat. We haven't been into one of these before, and I'm curious. So let's go see what it's all about. That was so cool. So we didn't get a lot, but we did get a few things. I'm actually making some quesadillas tonight. Yeah. And initially they were just gonna be some cheese quesadillas because I have fresh pico that I made last night. And now we get to have beef quesadillas. Yummy. I also have an avocado, so I'll make some guacamole to go with it and some sour cream dip. Should be pretty yummy. So if you've seen previous episodes, you actually probably saw me wrestling with my comforter on top of my fridge. So I came up with a better idea that was actually basically a duvet for a smaller comforter that I had that was for the other spare bedrooms. And I folded it in half, I made the comforter, and so it just makes it a lot more usable. So it's just this, and then I have it buttoned, so all I have to do is unbutton it and I can then put it away. So when we don't need it, it'll be all tucked away. And when we'll need the comforter for the winter, because we sometimes when it gets cold, we'll use it as a top cover on our comforter. Anyway, it makes it a lot easier to manage. So I still have the towel in between, as you can see here, and just as a moisture barrier, but it looks a lot nicer and it's easier to manage. So just another little simple tip that I've adapted so I didn't have to use my main comforter on top of my fridge. Okay. Makes it so much easier. It's super slick. I love it. So just a quick, easy, simple idea. It didn't take much material at all, and it was easy to pull together. So it's a win. So, oh, that's a gullet. They're pretty noisy coming in sometimes. Big old motors. Anyway, Cass and I were actually talking about the differences of Greece and Turkey and anchoring. And one thing that we knew because we were going to be coming into Turkey is that we needed to have plenty of chain for anchoring. And we've definitely learned why. We've anchored in a lot deeper anchorages here than we ever did in Greece. So it's pretty common for us now to anchor in 20 meters, which is 66 feet, right?
Something like that.
Something, somewhere in there. So that just gets your chain, your anchor to the bottom of the seafloor. So then you actually have to have a lot more anchor out on top of that. So there have been times when we have actually pretty regularly had 50 and 60 meters of chain actually paid out to make sure that we have a good holding. So it's pretty standard. We actually maintain 80 meters on the boat. We wish that we could have gotten 100, but when we purchased it in Greece, they didn't have it available at the time, so all we could get was 80. But yeah, if we could have done 100, we would have. It just gives a little bit more buffer, and we definitely had room in the locker for it. So just another thing that kind of changes it up between the difference of Greece and Turkey anchoring. So.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed our video, like and subscribe. And don't forget to join us next week.